Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If your TikTok is not showing your videos to others, don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through the most effective fixes in 2025 to solve this fast. So open your TikTok. Here, if your whole account is private, your videos won't reach new people. For that, go to your profile, tap on the three lines menu icon at the top right, go to Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy, and make sure private account is turned off. Let's go back. And after that, check if your video is set to private. For that, go to your profile, tap the video. Now hit the three dots, swipe through this bar, and locate this option called Privacy Settings. And make sure the visibility is set to everyone. Third step is to review community guidelines. If your video contains restricted content like nudity, violence, copyrighted music, or spammy text, TikTok may shadow ban or suppress your post. Tap on the inbox and look under system notifications to see if your content was flagged. Sometimes TikTok bugs out during upload. If the video got stalked or glitched, delete it. Slightly edit the caption and re-upload it with better hashtags. Also, avoid posting too frequently because if you're posting too many videos too quickly, TikTok might limit visibility. Stick to 2 to 3 posts per day to stay in the algorithm's good books. Another step can be to use the right hashtags and captions. Use trending hashtags like FYP, viral, or hashtags related to your niche. Avoid overly promotional or misleading text. It can trigger the algorithm to hide your video. If TikTok is acting glitchy, clear the cache from your phone settings and make sure the app is fully updated from the Play Store or App Store. And if you have followed all the steps and still get 0 views, you might be shadow banned. In that case, take a 2 to 3 day break, then come back with fresh and clean content. And that's how to fix TikTok not showing your videos to others. If this video helped, hit like, tap subscribe, and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.